Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In today's video, I will show you how to quickly rotate a photo on your iPhone. It's super easy and you can do it in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you get notified about our future tutorials. Start by launching the Photos app. Once you are inside the Photos app, find and open the picture that you want to rotate. When you have opened the image, tap on the toolbar button located at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the crop button from the bottom toolbar. Now that you are in the crop section, tap on the rotate button. This button is located at top left corner of your device's screen, right next to the flip button. Tap on this button once to rotate the image to the left side. Tap on the button again to rotate the image to a 180-degree angle and turn it upside down. Another tap of the rotate button will rotate the image towards the right side. In order to bring the picture to its original position, tap on the rotate button another time. After you have rotated an image, you can quickly bring it back to its original state by opening it and tapping on the toolbar button from the bottom. After this, you have to tap on the revert button from the top left corner and your picture will return to its original look. And that's it. Rotating a photo on your iPhone is super simple and quick. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in our next video.